Okay, I got to secure this microwave somehow, so I'm going to do a little trick here that I decided to leave this little blooper in there. Let me know if that's a mistake or if I should edit these things out. I thought it was kind of funny. All right, this morning I'm going to secure the microwave. I want to leave it here rather than packing it away every time we drive somewhere. So this is what I come up with, and hopefully it works. Little ledge right there. For those of you that noticed that little tip, I went back and secured that shelf. We're good to go. Door still opens. Everything's good. See you on the road. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Like and subscribe for more travel and food videos.